Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brooke and this is Seeds to Sanctuary. And this video right here is all about when life throws you curveballs. I recorded a whole video yesterday and everything that could go wrong went wrong. So I figured, let's finish canning up our chicken and our broth. We already did the first round and they're nice and sealed up. I thought we could discuss our No Spend January, make a few candles, and try to get to know me. Also, more dishes, of course. So, let's do this. Like I said, my name is Brooke. And I am 38 years old. I am a mother of 2 and I've been married for 15 years. I started this channel because I love to grow my own produce. I love to garden, I love to cook, and I love to craft. It gives me so much joy, and I'd like to share that joy with you in any knowledge that I learn or speed bumps that I need to, navigate over without destroying the whole vehicle, if you know what I mean. If you've ever been across some of those speed bumps, they can be a big deal, right? So I made the candles, like I told you. I did a video yesterday and they came out really, really nice, although I need to put more scents in there. So I thought this video would just be like, get to know me. I got this kit on Amazon for Christmas and it came with these beautiful scents. And we are going to do a vanilla. I also got this 5-pound bag of soy, however you say it, wax. I do apologize about the noise. Hopefully this video isn't another bomber and I can get it out to you. When life throws you lemons, what was I talking about? I said they worked out perfectly, right? Oh goodness, that has been my life. I wish I had tons of family to offer to you guys on my channel and all that kind of stuff that other people have. I just don't have that. When I was 6 years old, my parents got a divorce. They were both drug addicts. And it was just my sister and I. And then my sister passed away when she was 19 years old. She struggled with addiction just like my parents. And then I was left alone. I met Rob in 2007 and we struggled with infertility for 7 years. We have 6 babies in heaven that I cannot wait to meet someday. And I have had health problems galore. My doctor, the last time I was there, she said, Brooke, you really need to tell your story. You really need to share it. You've overcome so much and have come so far. And I'm really nervous telling my story because when I do, some other people can get offended. Addiction is not an easy thing to talk about. But it's real. And the decisions that other people make can truly affect your life. So I thought I could do a little series of getting to know me and telling you my story. I'm gonna write it all down and be as prepared with it as possible. So it makes more sense. But in this video today, I wanted to tell you about my pantry challenge that I would like to do. I would like to go clear to March, do 3 months. We went to Sam's Club about 2 days before the whole January pantry challenge should start, and I stocked up on a few things, but that's a natural thing for us to do. The last time we went to Sam's Club and did a big haul like that was about 3 or 4 months. And I'm hoping to take you along every week with the meals that I prepare. We're not really big breakfast people or lunch people. My kids are there in school, so I pack their lunches every day. My husband really doesn't eat a lunch during the day. Sometimes he'll ask for one or request for one, or I'll just surprise him and make him one. But so there won't be too many breakfast deals or lunch deals, but I will show you sometimes what we're having. Now we do every Sunday, I make a big breakfast in the morning. That is Elijah's request to my baby. It's one of his favorite things. He loves sausage, biscuits, and gravy. So to make him happy, that's what we're gonna do throughout. We're gonna continue to do that. I did show you in my last video about the free box of bananas that I got. I did make banana bread out of that, and I made pancakes, so we'll be also using that. But I wanted to tell you what my rules are for the no spend January, and then hopefully February and March. But I'm only going to commit to this month, and then we'll see for next month if I can record it. My autoimmune disorder has been flaring up, and I've been in a lot of pain, and it just seems like life keeps throwing things, and I need to take time to just breathe and march through it, make my way through it, because I've been through lots of valleys and lots of peaks. And there's always a brighter side. There truly is. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on while I'm gabbing.
Yeah, the countryside is so clear, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?
And I'm gonna let this stuff melt. And little Indy Bindy, a little inner. So like I was saying, the kits, I can show you a picture of the kits. I'll put it right up here. But the kit does come with these wicks right here. But I really love the ambiance of the wood wicks. But who can really afford to buy Yankee Candle wood wicks all the time? I just, they're a treat. I'm a candle freak, but I just can't justify spending $30-some for a candle. It just blows my mind. So, in doing this whole homesteading thing, I was like, well, why can't I make my own candles? So I have a few little jelly jars right here. And we're gonna do this. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for watching me, even though I have dishes in my sink and tears in my eyes and dodging curveballs all over the place. And my candle didn't want to light. It's a bad example. Let me go get one of the other ones that I made. I swear, they really do work. So I made this one last night, and it worked just fine. I burned it. See? Okay, so our wax has melted, and I'm going to go ahead and take some of these organic, not organic, but they're user-friendly. They don't have the paraffin or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and add scents right into my melted wax that is now melted. Now I have this recording and I'm not sure that it's even recording, so we'll see what happens. So I'm going to repeat this. I go ahead and I take my clip and I put my wood wick right in here, like so, and I'll dip it down into my wax, and then I place it right into my mason jar. That way I don't have to add any of this plastic or sticky foam stuff or anything like that. So New Year's resolutions is not really something that I like to do because I feel like it's a promise that you make to yourself, and I don't like making promises that I cannot keep. With life, sometimes that happens. I've done that on this channel, and it's just not my character. It's not something I want to do. So instead of making New Year's resolutions, like to make a list of things that I want to do this year, that I'd like to accomplish, that I'd like to work on myself. But I take it one step at a time, and I don't overload myself with all of these resolutions. I'm going to wait for this next round. And I'm going to finish up these dishes, and I just want to thank you so much for coming along with me today and getting to know me a little bit more. And I can't wait to upload our first ever pantry challenge video this weekend. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wish you the very best 2023. If no one's told you lately that you are loved and that you are valued, guess what? You are loved and you are valued. And bye for now. See you later, friends.